So we don't actually recommend removing the cat from your Miata. This was just for demonstration purposes only, and we're gonna show you why in about a second. What's up guys? Today on Japan to Tuning we are doing a cat delete for John's new Miata. Now we're going to be doing a first start. Go for it. Sounds loud, yeah. Yeah. It is way too loud to drive.
Yeah, and it doesn't even sound good.
Yeah, and it just sounds really raspy and annoying. So, maybe it's just with the performance exhaust, I don't know.
Yeah.
But
I would not
recommend.